Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll explore 7 fruits that have been scientifically proven to help heal stomach ulcers. We'll also dive into some statistical data that shows just how effective these fruits can be in promoting digestive health and ulcer recovery. 1. Bananas ***. Healing properties. Bananas coat the stomach lining and protect it from harsh gastric acids. Scientific backing. Studies have shown that bananas, especially unripe ones, can increase mucus production in the stomach, helping to prevent and heal ulcers. Statistics. Research published in the Journal of Clinical Gastroenterology found that individuals who consumed bananas regularly had a 25% reduction in the risk of developing ulcers. 2. Apples ***. Healing properties. Apples are rich in fiber and polyphenol, which reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the stomach. Scientific backing. Antioxidants in apples have been shown to lower the incidence of ulcer formation by up to 35%. Statistics. A study in the American Journal of Gastroenterology found that people who consumed apples regularly were 20% less likely to develop ulcers compared to those who didn't. 3. Papaya ***. Healing properties. Papaya contains papain, an enzyme that aids in digestion and soothes the stomach lining. Scientific backing. Papaya's flavonoids and anti-inflammatory properties are known to support ulcer healing. Statistics. Research indicates that regular consumption of papaya can reduce the severity of ulcers by 30% in individuals with mild to moderate ulcer symptoms. 4. Berries ***. Healing properties. Berries like strawberries and blueberries are packed with antioxidants and vitamin C, which reduce inflammation and promote the healing of the stomach lining. Scientific backing. The antioxidants in berries can reduce ulcer size by 40% in experimental models. Statistics. According to studies, people who include berries in their diet have a 25% faster ulcer healing rate compared to those who don't. 5. Cabbage ***. Healing properties. Cabbage, rich in vitamin U, S-methylmethionine, is known for its ulcer healing properties. Scientific backing. Cabbage juice has been shown to heal ulcers in 80% of patients within 7 to 10 days. Statistics. Clinical trials published in The Lancet revealed that patients who drank cabbage juice daily experienced a 90% reduction in ulcer symptoms within 3 weeks. 6. Pears ***. Healing properties. Pears are high in fiber, which helps regulate digestion and prevent acid reflux. Scientific backing. The fiber in pears helps reduce the recurrence of ulcers by 20%. Statistics. A study found that individuals who consumed pears regularly had a 15% lower risk of developing ulcers compared to those who did not. 7. Pomegranates ***. Healing properties. Pomegranates have powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Scientific backing. Pomegranate juice has been shown to reduce inflammation and protect the stomach lining from ulcer formation. Statistics. Research published in the Journal of Nutrition indicates that regular consumption of pomegranate juice can reduce ulcer risk by up to 28%. If we talk about the conclusion, incorporating these 7 fruits into your diet can provide natural relief from ulcers and significantly improve your digestive health. The statistical data we've shared highlights just how powerful these fruits can be in promoting ulcer healing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips backed by science and research.